developers are the customers of our customers, right? So our customer is ops, SRE, DevOps, even DevOps, I think, is people just like threw that in there to keep their LinkedIn, relevant. But what they're actually doing is still much more ops focused or much more still in that dev world. And they just want to have, I want to set up labs fast. I want to be able to spin up infrastructure as needed. That was the demand for DevOps. And then you're crossing application people. They still need network. They need firewall. They need security. They need, all of this other stuff. So now you've got all these other teams that they have to communicate with. And I barely want to hang around with the network folks, let alone make a developer do it. It's there's so many different languages. The other thing that we're seeing, I think, is one of the most important things for me is thinking as an enterprise consumer and enterprise architect is I need to satisfy a ton of other, security and compliance framework. Maybe the OS up, like there's certain things, but it's like the whole idea of broad ubiquitous access to hardware through APIs is now those are new layers that require compliance. The processes wrapped around them require consistency, guarantees, law, like all of the stuff that we never thought that we would have to care about. Does my 8-point checklist for deploying a VMware host need to go to Deloitte for validation? It's like, no, but what you're doing, these are compliance bound industries and